Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Ways. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to convert PDF from a Word document. So as you all know that PDF, it is a very popular format. PDF stands for Portable Document Format and it is used to transfer the files over internet. The reason for its popularity is that the formats, any formattings which are there in your document doesn't get lost during transfer. So hence it is considered one of the safest file format for transferring over internet. So now without wasting time, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing is you have to open the file which you want to convert into PDF. Let's say I've got this demo Word document and in this I've got this table, right? So for converting this into PDF, see, first thing you must know that I'm using the MS Office 2016 version. In this you can go to File. When you click on File, you are being transferred to the backstage view. From the backstage view, you have to click on Export, and here you can see the options of export coming. Let this be clicked. Okay, let this create PDF / XPS document be clicked. After that, just click on this particular button, create PDF / XPS. Now, as soon as you click on that, a dialog box will come in front of you which says publish as PDF or XPS. Now here you have to select your location wherever you want to save your file. Let's say I want to save my file over desktop, and first you have to select the file name. I want the name of the file be demo only. From this arrow, save as type, you can select the format which you want. As we are talking about PDF, so we will let this PDF be selected. After that, you can click on Publish. Now, once you click on Publish, it will take a little bit of time, and after that, your PDF will come like this. As you can see, demo.pdf is here. Now, first thing to notice here is, for viewing the PDF in your laptop, you need to have a PDF reader. Like in my case, I've got my PDF reader, Adobe PDF reader. Okay, so you need to have this reader installed in your laptop. Now, from this minus arrow, that means zoom out, you can just select the percentage of the view which you want to have. Let's say I want only 100%, so I can just click on that. Okay, if you want to reduce, click on the drop down and let's say 75. Now you can just have a look that this PDF is ready, and even if you try to select something will be selected but not deleted. Okay, so that's the feature of PDF, that it makes things easy for transferring over internet. So I hope you would have understood how to convert PDF, how to convert Word into PDF. Thank you for watching.